and I'm going to talk about a little bit of what I've learned when I was in Hollywood recently. One of the things they discussed at the Cincy Hollywood series of panels was intellectual property. Now, this is not anything new for anybody who publishes books, I don't think. I think we all know that our books we have intellectual property rights in our books, and that there's this thing called copyright. That's intellectual property, copyright, along with patent and trademark. But the thing is that I didn't realize is that Hollywood, that the industry, looks upon what we provide as authors to adapt in those terms. I mean, literally in those terms. Instead of referring to it as material or content, they refer to it as IP, literally. We want to obtain some IP. That's something I didn't realize until I went to the conference. We are looking for IPs. I mean, this is a phrase that was actually used. And I didn't fully appreciate until now just how important it is to have control over your own IP. I mean, I have always realized it, but somehow it hit home even deeper this time. Because when you have control over the part... Now, one of the things, okay, let me back up. One of the things I should explain is that copyright is made up of various, what they call a bundle of rights. There's your right to publish, there's your right to adapt into another media, there are audiobook rights, electronic rights, and for all I know there may be more that I'm not thinking of. But the point is that if you don't license any of your rights to anybody else, you have complete control over those rights, and you are the one that they have to deal with when it comes to any sort of adaptation, etc. You can also sell the work anywhere you want, and this is a very powerful thing, actually, when you think about it. Maintaining control over your intellectual property rights is, well, it's a, what can I say? It's something you want, I think. And now I'm not going to say that it's wrong to go to a publisher, because I use a publisher for my series now. And I'm interested in seeing how it works out, actually. And some people want to have a big publisher because they have resources that they can use, that can be used to help promote their books and so forth, to the extent they're willing to do that. But I just think that having control over your work is a wonderful thing. And it's one of the great things about digital publishing today, or about publishing today, I should say, because you can publish in print, you can publish digitally, you can publish in audio, in all sorts of formats, visually, and you can sell it all on the internet. And or you could even put it onto hard drives and sell those, discs. I mean, when you think about it, it's a pretty amazing thing. So, to anybody who is an author, or wants to be an author, I still think that going the self-publishing route can be one of the best experiences ever. It teaches you so much, and you have so much control over your own stuff. So, that's really all I had to say. Maybe at some point I'll talk more about the ins and outs of copyright, because I'm still learning a lot of that myself. And In the meantime, I hope that this has been helpful to somebody. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer them. Thanks. Talk to you later.